Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming to the super cool product. We've been super impressed with it. We love Samsung Galaxy products and the Samsung Galaxy Note product specifically. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. You can get this from AT&T.com. We certainly appreciate AT&T always keeping us abreast of all the coolest and latest phones. You can search online for pound AT&T mobile review for all the mobile reviews I do of the AT&T products. So be sure to check that out as well. I've loved this thing so far. I've been using it for about a month. It rocks. It's everything I wanted in the Note 9, and it does a great job. It comes in 3 different colors at AT&T.com. It comes in the midnight black. It comes in kind of a pinkish color they call lavender purple, and it also comes in ocean blue, which is really beautiful. 2 different capacities, 128 gigabytes for memory or 512 gigabytes for memory. Let's talk about some of the different features that go into this baby. Now, if you love Samsung Galaxies or Samsung Galaxy Notes, you're going to love this one. It rocks. And the dimensions are 6.37 by 3.01 by 0.35 inches. Weight is 7.09 ounces. Really lightweight in your hand, very comfortable for me. I have a bigger hand, but I love it. I just love having a huge screen for watching videos, looking at pictures of my dogs, seeing other people's pictures like on Instagram and stuff, or just being able to read the news. I'm getting older now, so I need bigger space to be able to read the news. It looks awesome. The display size is 6.4 inches. Resolution is 2960 by 1440 and 16 million colors. Camera and video on it is it's got 2 rear-facing cameras. It's 12 megapixel dual pixel with a 2 times optical zoom and optical image stabilization. The dual aperture mode comes with an f-stop of 1.5 and an f-stop of 2.4. Front-facing camera is 8 megapixels with autofocus and a f-stop 1.7 wide-angle lens. The live video capture, 4 gigabytes default, is 2560 by 1440 quad HD at 30 frames per second. The live video playback is a maximum of 3840 times 2160. That's your 4K Ultra HD, 60 frames per second. So awesome that way. Live focus allows you to adjust the amount of background blur in each photo, so whatever you're doing, you can capture the center of attention, kind of give you that bokeh, if you will. Bixby Vision enables online shopping, image search, QR, UPC, code scanning, business card scanner, location information. The one thing I am not a fan of with Samsung Galaxies is Bixby Vision and how it locks out Google Now. I'd really rather have Google Now, and I really hate the Bixby experience. So let me just be clear on that. Just knock it off, Samsung. Other than that, I love the phone. Other than Bixby, Ben, there's some things on phones you got to deal with. It's got in the rear mode, panorama, pro, auto, super slow-mo, AR emoji, hyperlapse. On front, you've got selfie, focus, selfie, AR emoji, and wide selfie for other camera options you can have. The battery capacity on this thing is 4,000 milliamps per hour. Talk time is up to 38 hours. Processor-wise, the chipset in this is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845. It's got an octa-core with 4 at 2.8 gigahertz and 4 at 1.7 gigahertz, depending on which model you get. The internal memory, as we mentioned, is 128 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes. Expandable memory is up to 400 gigabytes, and it's got a memory formatted micro SD card you can use in there to do it. RAM is 6 gigabytes or 8 gigabytes, depending upon which one you do, and it's running on Android 8.1 Oreo. So I gotta tell you, I love the phone. It's amazing. It's super fast. It's beautiful to look at, beautiful to play with, beautiful for calls. I can't think of any one thing bad about it other than I hate Bixby, but that's just me. So I think you'll love the phone. It does a great job and should work better for you. Just the largest infinity display ever, the mightiest S Pen that's come out. I think you're just gonna love it, and it does such a great job as well. Be sure to check it out. Go to AT&T.com. Check out the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Tell them Chris Voss sent you.